Welcome to the Fall Meal Prep 5-Day Challenge, where we'll be cooking up some cozy fall inspired meals that you can prepare once and enjoy for days. I'm so excited you joined us, and I know you're going to love the recipes we will be trying together. Fall is the perfect time to embrace warm, hearty dishes, and throughout the challenge, you'll not only learn how to make these meals, but also discover the benefits of meal prepping. We'll dive into how meal prep can save you time, reduce stress, and help you stick to your health goals. Plus, we'll talk about the importance of selecting local and seasonal ingredients, which will not only add freshness to your meals, but also support your local community. Whether you're cooking for yourself or your family, these tips will make mealtime easier and more enjoyable. You'll also have access to our group chat feature where you can connect with other participants, share your progress, ask questions, and offer support. It's a great way to stay motivated and inspired by what others are doing in the challenge. Remember, you'll gain access to the meal plans a few days before the challenge officially starts on Monday. There are two meal plans to choose from: omnivore and plant based, so you can pick what works best for you. I can't wait to see what you create and how this challenge helps simplify your meals for the week ahead. Get ready for some fun, delicious food, and a great sense of community. Let's get started.